Hi, my name is Craig Rowe. I'm making this video to show you what a typical Illinois foreclosure timeline is. There are a lot of people facing hardship in this area that have been served foreclosure documents that have a lot of questions like what happens next and how much time do I have. I'm here to briefly show you what a typical example of an Illinois foreclosure timeline is. It all starts with usually you missing about 3 payments, or a minimum of 3 payments, before the lender decides to turn over your case to its attorney to start a foreclosure proceeding. Usually the attorney takes at least about 30 days to prepare the case against you. Illinois is a judicial state, so the foreclosure is actually a lawsuit that has to be filed against you in a court of law. After the attorney pulls the title report and reviews all your mortgage documents, he actually files the case with the court. This is referred to as a lis pendens. A lis pendens is recorded in the recorder's office, so it is public knowledge then that the lender is about to start foreclosure proceedings against you. Once that is filed against you, you will receive a summons with the court date on it. Usually it takes about 2 or 3 months for the attorney to file a notice of motion. The notice of motion is asking the court to file a foreclosure judgment against you. The notice of motion will tell the court the date that they are asking for, and you should go to this court date, because on that court date, one of the following things usually happens. You can ask for a continuance at that point, at that court date, to hire a lawyer. And a continuance just means that you're asking the court not to make a decision that day to give you more time to prepare for it. Or you could ask for more time by filing an appearance and an answer. The appearance and answer are forms that you fill out and file with the court if you plan on representing yourself instead of hiring a lawyer. The court could set the case for trial at that time, but usually they do not do it at this first court hearing. If you have no defense against the foreclosure suit, then the judgment against you will proceed. Usually within a couple of months after that, the judgment of foreclosure is issued against you and your redemption period starts. Once the redemption period starts, you have about 90 days to come to terms with your mortgage company, meaning modify it or pay it off or try to obtain a sale. After that redemption period is over, the lender's attorney could ask the court to actually set a date for a foreclosure sale. And that just means that you are going to have your house auctioned off at a foreclosure sale. Once the date is set, this is the way that your house is turned over to the bank at the auction date. Either the bank will own it at the auction or after the auction, or someone will overbid the bank and they will own it at the auction date. Now, I'm sure you have a lot more questions on this, like everyone does. Feel free to give me a call at any time. I'm here to help and answer any questions. If you drop me an email or drop by my website, it's filled with more information that I'm sure you're looking for. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video.